Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today on my hair is messed up, but today I'll be talking about one stock that could double really soon. They just released the Q4 2020 results and many institutions are loading up on the stock. The stock I'm talking about is SKLZ, ticker symbol SKLZ. So it's currently trading around $27.78, nearly 8.1% on a day. In the month, it's been down 31.74%. On the year, they're up 180%, so it's good. It's a really new company, so now would be not too late to invest and go through the Q4 2020 results. So in Q4 2020, they had revenue of 68 million, which is a 95% growth year over year. In 2019, they had 119 million in revenue, but in 2020, they had 230 million in revenue. So that is some good growth. So we see here, the total cost and expenses for 2020 was 329 million, which was an increase from 2019. The net loss to 122 million, which increased from 2019. It's not looking too good, but I'm not too worried about this because this is a rather new company and they will improve their net loss in the years to come. So we're now going to look at their balance sheet. They have total assets of 282 million, which is an increase from 38 million in 2019. They have 47 million in total liabilities, so that's good. They have 260 million in cash, so that's really good. But I do see some long-term debt. They have they don't. They recently just paid off their long-term debt. So this company has no debt. In 2020, they had a net loss of 122 million, which is an increase from 2019. So that's not looking too good. It's from their operating activities. So the cash used in their investing activities was 3 million. And here, they nearly have 300,000 million in cash from their financing activities. So that's good. That brings their total cash to 265 million, so that's good. But according to the Q4 2020 results, they have very strong fundamentals. They just paid off their debt, their revenues from 2019 to 2020. I think they're going to decrease the net loss from their operating activities. Also, I do think they're going to increase their revenues. As we see, this is a growing industry. There's a 9% growth rate between 2019 and 2023 for this industry, so I do think it's good. Now we're going to look at some analysts' price charts. Analysts, they have an average price out of $30.67, so that is really good. That is a 10.4% upside from its current price. They have a high of $34 and a low of $27, so that's really good. They have 4 buys, 2 holds, and 0 sales, so that is extremely good. Their low is $27. You can see the current price is $27.78, so it's really good. So if you believe in this company, you believe in the future, you believe in the fundamentals, then invest in the company for what they are. So what are the big institutions doing with the stock? Last month, it is all green here. All of these institutions are increasing their positions in the stock. One big institution, Morgan Stanley, has a total of 4 million shares right now. Today, Cathie Wood's loaded up on the stock. So you can see they bought another 632,000 more shares today. So just 2 days ago, they bought more shares and now they're buying more shares. So that's really good. So you can see now it's their 28th holding. They now have 3.7 million shares. So that's good. So how would I invest $1,000 in this company? So today they're up 8.09% and they're up another 4% in the after hours, so it's good. My first $250 on the stock, no matter the price, because we believe in this long term. Drops to $26, I put my next $250 on that. And Tuesday this drops to $24, I put my next $250 on this. On Wednesday, if it drops to $20, I'll put my last $250 on this. We gotta have cash on hand to buy it up. We never know if this is gonna go down, so that's where to be ready, not surprised. So that's the end of this video. That was my whole talk on SKLZ Stock. They could double in the next 12 months or even 6 months, but if it doesn't double, I'm still gonna hold this long term. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing and finance.